Genocide, yes, that's the confirmation of Amnesty International. Yes, people in Gaza killed by the Israelis. Yeah, there's a genocide there, so it's a confirmation. That's the news of today. Yeah. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the puzzles in today's newspaper of Thursday, December the 5th, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved, the 3 stars puzzle. So 2 puzzles are left, the tectonic and the 4 stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Not now, I will continue with these 3 puzzles. Let me... Yeah, okay. This one will be number 9702. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot, 29 printed digits. Cannot believe this, 29. Usually the 4 stars puzzle has 24. This one has 29. It should be at 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars. We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Alright, which number can I pick? Need a 9 here. 2. Come on. Need a 4 here. Need a 1 here. In this row, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 1 in the first column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. In this row, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here or there. We see another 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 in the second column, no 1 there. Only place left for 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next on that column. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1, 8. Okay. So the 2, the 3, and the 5 is missing. 2, 3. 3 missing numbers now in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. And look, we have a 2 and a 5 in this one. No 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the third column for number 3. Alright. Let me see. 4, 6, 7. 7. Need a 1 here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 6 should be here. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here then. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. Okay. In this big square, we need a 5. Here can be 5 because we have 5 in the second column, so no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those two boxes in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 in the column next, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. And now, need a 3 here. And I need a 7, need a 7 there. 9, 1. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 8, 8, need an 8 here or there. 8, need an 8 here. Well, in this row, we need an 8. This box came in 8. We have an 8 in the first column, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left. 8 could be here, could be there. 6. Need a 6 here. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in this row. Third row, no 6 in these two boxes. The 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those two boxes in this row. 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left. The 6 goes together with the 8 as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. So 1 is left in this second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 in this row, first row, 7 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Then let me see. 2. 2, need a 2. 6, 2, and 4. I need a 4 here. Come on, come on, come on. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. 9. Come on. 5, 1, 9. Need a 2. Need a 3. Yes. In this row, third row, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the numbers 3 and a 9. We have 3 and a 9 in this big square, so no 3 and a 9 in these two boxes. 3 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. So 2 numbers left now. In this third row for the numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, 4 and 6. Let me mark those. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, 2 is missing. 2, need a 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 in these two boxes. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 1 box left in this third column for number 5. 2 or 5. We have a 2 now, so this box should be a 5. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then need a 1 here. Come on, come on. 3, 4, 9, 3, 3. Well, we have a 3 here. No 3. 3, 3. Okay, 9, 4. How about the 2 in this row? 2 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left with 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit 1, number 2. Okay, and now 6, 7, and the 4. 6, 6 here. 7 and the 4. Interesting. Interesting. Come on, come on. Need a 9 here. 3, 4, and the 4. Well, in this row, 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6. Well, here can be 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in this row, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left of the 6. Could be here, could be there. Here we have a 6. Here we have a 6. That means the last column, the only place left of the 6 should be there then. Yeah, here can be 6 because we have a 6 in this row. Okay, so 1 box left in the last column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Need a 7, need an 8 here. Need an 8 here. Alright. Need an 8 there. Well, about the 3. I need a 3 there. Come on, come on. I'm waiting. 1, 1. Need a 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 6. Huh? Here we have a 6. Here we have a 6. That means in this column, the only place level 6 should be there then. Yeah. Because here can be 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. No 6 there. 6 in this row. 6 in the last row. So the row between the only place level 6 should be there. 3, 9, 9 and the 4. 4 and the 7. Interesting. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 6. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 box left now in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Need a 1 here. 3, 4, and a 6 there. 7, 4. Need a 1 here. Yeah, 1 in this row, 1 in the. Sorry, 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 place level 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 place level 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 1. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 8 here. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 8. Then 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 4, okay. So 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Okay. 6 and the 8. We have an 8 now in the middle column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. So the 3 and the 4 are left. 3 and 4. We have a 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in the middle row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and a 9, we have 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this first column, 9 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column, the only 2 place level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 place level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 4. In the last row, we have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 7 goes there. 7 and 4, we have a 4 now, so this box should be a 7. 2 numbers left. In this big 12 almost 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 4 goes there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so on that row. Only place left for the 4 should be there. 50 minutes exactly. Well, took me more seconds than the previous Sudoku. 0. Now, let me give this a 1 star. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.